Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Sony MHC-V83D Bluetooth high-powered party speaker, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth or not syncing or pairing with your devices, if it's not pairing with the other speakers, the sound is out of sync, it's not responding, all those kind of issues can very often be fixed with this hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it. And that's the second reason that you might want to do this, is if for whatever reason you just want to wipe all the pairing history, all the settings, everything, get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. We can do that really easily. First thing we need to do is just come in and turn it off, unplug it, wait a couple seconds, plug it back in, turn it back on. Once we do that and it's back on, we're just going to come over to the right and find the guitar button, and over to the left and find the mega bass button. Press and hold those two buttons for 3 seconds. And after 3 seconds, it will reset and turn off, at which point you can just turn it back on and set it up like a new speaker.